how to get premium on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can get premium on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are two types of devices, Android and iPhone. If you've been trying to do from the iOS app, you won't be able to do so, but if you're on Android, you'll find the premium option. But for the sake of both of the users, what I will do is instead I will recommend you open up your browser and then you go to spotify.com and then you just log into your account. So just go to spotify.com from your browser, log into the account where you would like to get the premium. Once you have done that, tap the gear icon located at the top right hand corner. Then over there you'll find one of the options called premium. Just tap the premium bar. Once you tap on it, here you'll be able to select a list of premium plans that are available. So you can select the get individual premium option depending upon which plan you'd like to get. You can select PayPal or credit or debit card. So I'm assuming most of you will select that. You can select that option. And here you can simply enter your card number and all the other details to just tap the buy now option to buy Spotify premium. This way you'll be able to get premium on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.